And today we are going to dynamic this contact form and address and this section. Okay.
Mhm.
Mm, so first of all we have to use a module like the name is web form module for making dynamically this section. Right now I have
Okay.
made this section dynamically and I am showing you how we can make this dynamically. Okay. So first you have
Okay.
to install the module name web form module. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Go to the module because I have installed module, so I am showing you where is the module.
Okay.
This is the waveform module. Okay. And we
Mhm.
are using means go to your HTML and this is Ajax submit module. Once we click on send message, so it will only show here a message like your message is sent and not page will refresh. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, means
Ajax,
jQuery or
yeah,
some
jQuery
what you call
Ajax.
validation, right?
Yeah, validation and Ajax. Oh, you know about Ajax? What is Ajax?
Yeah, little bit.
Tell me.
Means is Ajax is on active server, means on the we have to give the logic in the web page only, and it's gonna be refresh it when it's gonna validate by itself only.
Yeah, but the
It don't
main
go to the server again and again.
yeah, and the main purpose of Ajax is uh, make functionality without reloading the page. Okay.
Yeah.
If, for example, you are having this form and
Uh-huh.
on submit, once you fill up the form, all form,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and once you click on the send message, so it should not reload your web page, this page, and
Yeah, web page.
only
It's just
it's just only show this message. A loader will run here and
mm-hmm.
suddenly show you message. Your message is successfully sent without reloading the
Okay.
page. So this is the work of Ajax. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Mm,
Okay.
so we have to install these two modules, Waveform and Waveform Ajax. Okay. And then I think you know about the waveform. We will Rahul taught you about waveform.
Yeah, waveform, yeah.
Waveform. So waveform once you install the module, so it will create a content type. Here content type
Mm-hmm.
waveform, and you need to create a content. Here just go to the content and create
And
a
add
new
the waveform.
yeah, and you can add the waveform. And I have created the content once content with contact form. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
contact us. We will edit this. And
Okay.
here is a setting for waveform,
All right.
and I have created
Name,
three
email,
fields:
message.
name, email, message. Okay, and
All right.
this is the same as we need here, like
Mm-hmm.
name, name, email, and
Email,
message, and
message.
send button. The send button is
Okay.
automatically created, but you need to create three field like name, email, and message. And
Okay.
you just edit once you make this field required from you will have to check this option
Validation, yeah.
validation required, and you
Mm-hmm.
can name your placeholder here, name if you want the placeholder.
Uh-huh.
You know the what is the placeholder?
Yeah, means inside that there is a tag shown
Yeah,
until it's blank, you know.
yeah, yes, you got it. So this
Mm-hmm.
is the name of placeholder, and now we will save, and same process we will apply for the email and make a required and provide it placeholder email and message
Mm-hmm.
here, and after that we will save.
Okay.
And in the email Provide here the recipient email, where you have to send message from the contact form. Okay,
So means I didn't get it. Means uh.
means once you fill up the form on your web page,
Mm-hmm.
so here is a mail
Okay.
ID where this on the web form information will send to this mail ID. Okay,
Okay. So website is gonna send me this, right?
yeah, website is gonna send
Oh.
mail on this mail ID. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Form settings here. Just go to form setting, and on the form setting, stop. Your by default option is confirmation page. So make it no redirect and reload current page. Okay. And,
Okay.
and once you install the module web form Ajax, so you will get this setting box here, Ajax setting box. Okay. After
Mm-hmm.
installing the web form Ajax module. Okay.
Okay.
From this module you have to check this option, Ajax mode, check,
Mm-hmm.
and uncheck this show confirmation screen. Okay.
Okay.
And one more important thing, just go to the advanced setting, and here is the text you have to show on your submit button, send message, because
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
in our HTML the text is send message. Okay, so you
Okay.
have to put this text here in the send message, and then
Mm-hmm.
save the configuration. Mm, and now one more important thing is there, I forgot to tell you. Check this
Mm-hmm.
checkbox available as a
Available
block.
as a block.
Uh,
Okay.
you means one
We can
blog
use as in our
as a,
page.
yeah, no, as a blog. Uh,
Oh yeah.
Means we can use this for web form as a blog. Okay, so check
Mm-hmm.
this option, and once you create
Yeah.
the web form, and then you will automatically get a block in your blog section. Okay, I'm showing you.
Mm-hmm.
Just go to the blog section, and here is a web form I have automatically created. Mm,
Okay.
yeah, in contact reason. I have created a reason with
Okay.
myself.
Contact
Okay,
form.
and this web form contact us. It will automatically create because we checkbox on the advanced setting. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this is created by me. Means like we have created all the setting, our services and
Yeah.
responsibilities.
Our
So
service basic.
yeah, so in .info file we have created the contact form reason and assign this part into this region. Okay.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Okay, and just if you go to the confirmation configuration, so you have
Mm-hmm.
to tell the blog title as a contact form, because we here our title name is contact form. Okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and we will assign this region to our contact form. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Got it.
save the blog,
Okay. Save block.
and it will no, not automatically, and after that you have to go your
We have to
HTML,
give the.
go your
Mm-hmm.
HTML, like where here here was your HTML created here,
Okay.
and I have used this code. And
Mm-hmm.
same as it is, we will use on last session for our client section, So
Okay.
like that, we will use our page and contact form and assign this reason
All right.
and block. So it will
Okay.
automatically generate this type of form here. Okay.
All right. But I want to ask that how it will take the theme of this of the our HTML guys.
Yeah, no, you don't need to paste this time HTML anything anywhere, because sometimes you have to make customization with the code. I'm showing you what customization we have to show. And one more thing, this submit button is not like our HTML. Our HTML
Uh-huh.
submit button is this. is here showing like this, and once
Yeah.
we dynamically make, so our button will become like that. So you have to put some our custom CSS for this.
Okay.
You got it?
Okay.
So every time
Yeah,
we
got it.
not make as it is paste HTML, you sometimes you have to uh,
Make
make some
customs.
custom
Yes.
CSS and custom codes. Okay. So I'm showing
Okay,
you
no
where I
problem.
have done the custom code.
Okay.
Mm, yeah, Hadik, in the template file, template.php, I
Okay.
have created this function like is a hook form alter. It will
Uh-huh.
we have some put some customization here. So let me comment this out and show you what was looking our contact form before this code.
Yeah. So we have to
Reload.
clear
Yeah.
cache.
No, no.
Oh,
So our HTML, our web form show like this because this is the default, and we have to make
okay.
like this. So we have to some do some customization there. Okay.
Yeah.
So first thing, the title in
Mm-hmm.
our HTML
Yeah, the title in the
title,
HTML.
and you can notice here the title will be in H3 tag here, like okay,
Tag. Okay.
and I have made our title tag in H3 tag, but before it was in H2. Okay, H2 tag.
Okay.
So I have made some code for this. Uh, you nothing you have to do. Just only just go to your theme and template. You have to paste this. Where is blog? Yeah, blog.tpl.php file. Okay, and
Uh-huh.
in this file only just uh, rename your h2 tag with h3 here. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and if you are asking to me how can I get this file automatically, so just you don't need to do anything. Just go to your module section, means default module section in your my themes, and
Uh-huh.
your module by default module available in the module folder, and here is a blog section. Can you see?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here is a blog.tpl, where is, yeah, here is a blog.tpl.php file. Okay. So you
Mm-hmm.
have to copy this file from here and simply paste in your template file into theme.
Okay. Means
So copy
in the
paste.
theme folder we have to
Copy
just
this
copy
folder,
paste
yeah.
this.
Copy from here and paste into theme like sites,
All
all
and
themes, red and template. I have pasted here
templates.
that file. Okay.
Okay.
And change our in our HTML. Means replace H2 tag with H3. Okay.
Okay. So inside that everything is
Everything.
already means defined
Yeah, it's already
in the
defined,
block.
predefined. It's predefined by Drupal. So simply we will copy and paste into our theme and only replace the tag name. Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Hmm.
after that, where is, yeah. Now here is showing our title. Means we don't want this
Okay.
title
Name.
name. So we
Mm-hmm.
need to remove this title. We can remove Hardik, sorry Pranay, this title
Uh-huh.
from the CSS, but it's not a good practice there because we have to do some time the code. We have to work with some
Yeah.
code. So how we
Means it should be coming from dynamic. Means if I change it from the backend
backend, yeah, you
admin
can
side, so it just
you
can
only
also be changed in the over here.
yeah, but this time we will remove this text means the
Okay.
name. We want only
All
this
right.
placeholder like here. Okay, here is not
Oh yeah, yeah,
any
yeah.
text, any label here. and here is by default coming label, so we have to remove this.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So this is the code for the removing our label. Means this is the
Okay.
form alter predefined hook available in Drupal. Okay.
Okay.
And the red is our theme name, and this is by default
Mm-hmm.
predefined hook is here. Okay. And
Okay.
form variable is here, so you have to debug form id equal to web form id. Uh, so
Mm-hmm.
from where you can get this web form id, let me show you.
Okay.
Here is your form id is
All
equal
right.
to web form id, but notice here your form id in the form of dash. Okay, here is a dash.
Yeah.
So in once you, if you using this ID in your code, so you have to replace this
Okay.
dash with underscore. Okay.
Underscore. Yeah. You
I
told me that.
yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
told you before.
Mm-hmm. If
So
form ID is equal to
yeah, and
7.
this is and you have to read about the form API on Drupal.org. Okay.
Okay.
So you will see here the form. How can you change the okay first of all yeah, here is the title. We will unset this title,
Okay.
name and title from here. I will send you all
Okay.
this code to you so you can use in
Okay.
your theme. Unset this
Okay.
submit name and title. And
Okay.
I have unset this name or title of our name field and same like for email and message title. I,
Message. Okay.
so these three means
Title will
yeah
be
will be
gone.
yes. So let me
Okay.
apply this three code first.
Okay.
Comment out this. Okay.
Okay.
Now you will see the title has gone into your three section. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And after that, hmm,
So what is form actions?
let me show you.
Okay.
Uh, if you expect element on your original form, and you will
Okay.
see here in the form there is a class name like form main here.
Okay.
So you have to apply this class onto our form.
Okay.
So for this reason we will use this code attributes and class, and this is the class name form main. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so it will automatically add in our form tag this class. So yeah, this is the yeah,
Okay.
here is the class our which we will add by the code form main class.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is the action which is we can change our the so submit button text like the text of submit button will be a surprise text title once
Okay.
we reload our page. Right now it's send message here. Okay.
Yeah.
Once you reload
Mm-hmm.
a subscribe text title, this is our title name. Okay.
Okay.
So this type of some little code you can use, but I have show you the setting in our backend in advance. You can change the text
Uh-huh.
from there.
Okay.
Now What you
Now
mean?
CSS I think so, and now the dynamic stuff is done.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the process of dynamic, how you can make this part dynamic. And
Okay.
one more thing I'm telling you. Mm, yeah,
Now we have to assign the CSS, right?
yeah. We have to assign some CSS from our end to this div. Means
Yeah.
mm, once refresh.
In style.css we have to copy paste the what you call the
I
placeholders and
No, 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 not
everything.
this time is not the work of copy paste. This time you have to apply some custom code, custom CSS from your end.
Okay.
Means in this white background is coming, so you have to the color code is copy, so you have to put the background color to this div.
Okay. Okay. So it's a call.
Yeah, background color, find that color also.
Okay.
Border none.
Now we have to set the size.
Yeah, just copy this CSS and paste into your style.css. Where is your style.css? CSS and here is your style.
In this dot is for ID or class.
This is for class and hash
Okay. Dot is
used
for
for ID.
class,
Yeah,
right?
and hash will be used for ID. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. But what you call Murli, if
Yes.
we copy from the same CSS from the what you call the HTML
Hmm.
in the inspect element, if we see that the class of that means CSS, we
Yes.
can just copy paste in the our class of this CSS.
Yeah, we can copy our class from this CSS and apply here in the right side. Okay.
Yeah.
And
So if you go in the UC browser demo, means
not using UC browser.
oh no UC Cobra, UC Cobra. Sorry, my bad.
Mm,
Actually, yesterday I see that videos of UC browser
okay.
came out. Yeah.
And this is your text is coming down in the bottom.
Uh-huh.
So you have to provide some. Just click on add button and you will copy paste this ID name and
Okay.
provide the padding here.
All right.
Pixel, 2 pixel.
From left, right, bottom,
Yeah,
and
this is
top,
for
right?
yeah means clockwise. Top, left, bottom,
Okay.
and right. Like our clock is
Or
working. This
okay.
is for top, left,
Left,
bottom, sorry, top,
and right.
right, top, right,
Okay, right.
bottom, and left. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this CSS you have to copy and paste into Sterling CSS.
Okay.
Means you sometimes you have to do some custom. You have to use some custom CSS from your own because all time we are not manipulate the HTML everywhere. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the process of we can make dynamically our form. Okay. And
Okay.
now the time to make dynamically this address section. Okay. So you can make
Okay.
it dynamically.
This one is easy, right?
Yeah, this one is easy. You
Just
can
like
do
above.
just like above, like create a blog and paste this HTML, and now you will use this title. You can use this title as a blog title. Okay, you don't need to make
Okay.
as a man. So this is your task. You have to do this dynamically from your end.
Okay.
So I think you can do this make dynamically. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So this is the process of make HTML into dynamic in Drupal. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So tomorrow we will go to our next things. I want
Okay.
to tell you about some important modules because which we use every time in Drupal. Okay. So we
Okay.
will go to this section.
All right.
So I think it is enough for today.
Yeah, all right. No problem.
Okay. So you have to create I will send you this code, means the template
Okay.
code which we are using
All
for
right.
make dynamically, and
All right.
provide you the video so
Yeah, so I
uh,
can just go
you
through the
can
video
go
and
through the video
do
and
it
make,
by myself.
yeah, do you have to do by yourself this contact form and
No
this
problem.
right section. Okay.
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 All right.
uh, Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
No problem. Thank you for your time too.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.